Okay, what I'm doing is I'm laying the sod. I had I bought some topsoil right there. I'm mixing it with sand and some other ingredients. Also some other nitrogen and stuff like that. And I'm laying it down there. I know it looks uneven, but it'll settle and it'll actually come down. I watched this on my lawn. I'm on my lawn now. And over here, that's clippings from that bush right there. I said, you know what? I'm gonna return it back to the back to the earth. And I put a whole bunch of stuff there instead of throwing it out. And I'm putting it right there. And I've got 3 other rolls left. And I'm gonna split them up and spread them out. Sorry. The reason I'm spreading them out, see how it's like diced up like that, is actually they will spread by stolons and rhizomes and actually take over the lawn. That's the whole idea of what I'm trying to do right here. That's the whole idea I'm trying to do on my whole lawn, but it's going to take a couple of years, and you know, I got to just keep on going with it. I got to keep on pushing with it. I don't get paid like these other YouTubers, so I can only do what I can afford. So I can only do a little bit at a time. And the reason I'm doing topsoil and sand, because the sand doesn't go away, the topsoil breaks down. The topsoil breaks down. You guys can't see it from here, but this has a real deep dip. So, you know, if I just keep on going with it and lift it up and then put more sand, I'll have a straight area here, but it's going to take some time. Okay, that's 3. Got 5 more. I'm gonna do 1 more today. The other one I'm gonna do tomorrow. I'm tired. That's Zoysia. Gotta get the right Zoysia name, but it's Zoysia. And hopefully it will fill in. Okay. I dropped 4 rolls of Zoysia sod right there. We'll do 1 more tomorrow, but I'm tired. I've had enough. I'm going to switch the water. I put it up there, and it's going the wrong way. But the reason I cut it up like that, so it would spread and engulf my lawn. So we're going to work on that the next 2 or 3 years. We're going to be checking that. I've mixed it with topsoil, sand, and some other stuff to make it grow better. So we're working on that, and hopefully this will work. That Zoysia ain't no joke. It takes forever for it to start in the spring, because you can see right there, that's Zoysia. It's taking forever. So we're getting there. I got this from Super Sod. They were trying to give me this stuff that's totally brown. I was like, hey man, all this money I paid for it, I got to see some kind of green in it. So he gave me a different load. You know, it is what it is.